coloring. Ah! Now! Got you. There's one, so it flies away. So first we are gonna use brown. Okay. Okay, brown. Which brown? I should use this one. Okay. The paper's flying away. Did you know that brown in Arabic is bunni? Let's start with the next color. The next color is red. I should pick this color, red. Did you know the color red in Arabic, it means ahmar? Let's start with the next color. The next color will be yellow. Let's pick this yellow. Did you know that yellow in Arabic means asfar? The next color is blue. Let's start with this blue. Did you know that blue in Arabic means azra? Let's do the next color. The next color is green. It's okay. Did you know that green in Arabic means akhdar? Let's do the next color. The next color is purple. Did you know that purple in Arabic means banafsaji? Let's do the next color. The next color is white, but I don't have white, so I'm gonna keep a little bit space. But white means abyad in Arabic. Let's do black. Let's do black. Black is over here. Did you know black means aswad in Arabic? Let's do the next color. Oh, I forgot to put the space of the white, but it's okay. I can put it over here next to the black. Now we'll do the orange. Which orange? And orange means burtukali. These both are matching. Let's write my name. My name is Judy. Look. Brown, bunny, red, ahmar, yellow, asfar, blue, azraq, green, akhdar, banafsaji, purple, black, aswad, white, abyad, orange, burtukali. My name Judy. Down in the descriptions if you know all of the colors in Arabic and English. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Always clean up after yourself. Don't leave stuff over. Follow us in the next video, because on the next video I'm going to read brown bear, what do you see? أيها الدب الأسمر أيها الدب الأسمر ماذا ترى? Look at the story. Bye bye, see you next time.